Alright guys, so I finally got my iPhone 17 Pro Max. Okay, so I'm not bragging or something because I'm upgrading from iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I waited almost 5 years to upgrade here because in the meanwhile I was upgrading to new gadgets, so many cameras, but I think the phone is what I need. So here it is. Here's my Christmas gift to myself, and I'm so excited to try this out and share it with you guys. I think I have to charge it up to actually turn it on. So let's have to wait for that. But oh, it's working. It's working. Yes. Oh, I think it's already charged. So let's just wait for it to turn it on. And I'm very excited because my previous phone is iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I'm upgrading after 5 years. So 12 to 17, I waited almost 5 years because my phone was working fine, but obviously I'm into content creation. Look at that, it's so cute. I mean, it makes me happy. It's not about the phone, it's about because the quality of the content I produce every day. I need good camera quality, and sometimes carrying my camera with me is not always feasible, but my phone is going to be staying with me. Oh, look at that pretty little thing. I mean, chef's kiss. So yeah, it's turning on. Now the quality of the content is gonna go higher. Yeah, so the quality of the content is gonna go up now going forward because yes, I need good technology to shoot my content and to edit my content, and it feels a kind of happiness because I'm upgrading after almost 5 years, and I waited a lot. I kept thinking every year that I'm gonna upgrade, but I was waiting for maybe this one, 17, and my birthday is also on 17, so I'm gonna remember that 17 is my lucky number. And yes, look forward to try it out. It's taking a lot of time to turn on, but I love the color. It's so cute and silver. I mean, the previous color I have is blue. I'm shooting currently on that one. I'm gonna show you that later. Maybe I'm gonna edit a clip for that. But here we are. Now it's time to set this up and show you guys the phone. And if you guys have a phone, or if you have a choice, let me know. Do you like orange, blue, or silver? My favorite is silver. It's so classic in the way this new feature is up. And also got a phone cover, so I'm gonna try that out. I just bought it today. This was the last piece available. I mean, I wanted to wait for online stuff, but let's just put this on the side for a second. I wanted to wait for online buying, but look at that pretty color. But online was taking too long, and the long story, I waited almost 3 months for this phone because I was previously getting it delivered, and they messed up my order, and they got it delivered about 10 hours away from where I stay, and it was such a hassle. But I think you gotta wait for the best things to happen. Previously I'd ordered blue, but I changed my mind, so we have silver now, the classic. The aluminium. Oh, this cover looks cool as well. Now let's try this cover on my phone and see how does it look. Okay. They also have like a silver pad here. Okay. So phone and cover, we have both the things. Yes. Alright, let's put this up here. That looks cool, I think. I mean, I can see the silver color as well, and plus it's a little pretty design, so the authentic silver is also visible. And namaskar, look. So okay, so I don't want to talk anymore. I think that's enough to Sat Shri Akal. And I love how it's taking forever to turn on, and I can talk about how it is. So I'm gonna set this phone up and let you know. So wait for new videos to come up. And how do you like my new phone? Comment down below. And if you have one, which color you have, orange, blue, or the classic silver, comment down below, and I'll wait for this to turn on and set this up. See you guys for the next video. Do not forget to like, share, comment down below if you would like to see more such unboxing videos, because it's time to level up the game for 2026. Adios. Signing off, your girl, Samra. Adios. Let's do a little iPhone.